Hi, welcome back. The 23rd of June, I'm sorry, 24th of June, 2022. And I want to make another training video short about European and United Kingdom orders and probably other orders overseas when you're registering with me. There's a secondary step that needs to be done. It's called purchase redemption. And it's also the bonus redemption way that when you're in your iNetwork back office, you need to do that step once you've made the payment and registered with iTeraCare. And I do all of that for you. All you need to do is reach out to me on Telegram or daniel@parsonsmarketing.net. I'll take care of everything for you. I have hundreds of satisfied customers all over the world. So thank you, God. I want to make you aware of the pre-order, the iTeraCare premium devices right now. I don't know exactly when they're going to be in your hands, but they are becoming available. And so that being said, that's all I'm going to say about that. And you can find all of my iNetwork training videos about how to do things in your back office, like paying your maintenance if you're making money in here, which many of you are. And it's only $30 a month to have a global business, and done right, just drink the water, use the device, and notice your results, and do short little testimonials. You can post them on all kinds of social media sites. You can build and create websites. You can do all kinds of things. You can even do this business word of mouth in your local community and never do anything on the computer. So anyway, you can go to rumble.com, R-U-M-B-L-E. And if you search in the search bar right here, iNetwork, this little word right here, I've got the mouse going under, I lowercase and then capital N and then all the rest lowercase, network. And you'll find this video and many others. And I'm putting more content there as it's made known. Yesterday, I was with my wife, Patricia. She's from Chile and her family's visiting her from Chile. And I was able to do a product redemption for a gold upgrade for one of my team members that lives in Holland in the Netherlands. And so I just want to simply go off screen share because I'm going to go to a different page. And when that page loads, I'm going to take you in there. And now I'm going to go back on screen share. And we'll show you how to do this. So the customer has paid. They've got their username and their temporary password, which of course is 123456. Now, either they, if they're really savvy, or I will go in and do this right here. I'm going to go to the navigate page. And when I go to navigate down, I need to get rid of the news notice. Hopefully, the new payment processing system is coming and we'll be able to use our referral links again. I heard on Monday. So that would be what, 27th of June. But don't say that Daniel said the 27th of June the links are up. I don't know for a fact, but I heard a rumor. So navigate. And right here on the side menu, okay, the navigate button is the second one over from the left. Here is all things about your office and your little business. And if you just want to be a customer, how you can do things like this here too. So purchase redemption, bonus redemption. You need to select that right there. Okay, so I've got somebody that I need to do a redemption for as an international because they live in the United Kingdom. So I'm going to leave country, state the same, and automatically populated an international headquarters stockist. Then I hit next. Okay, and so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to select the iTeraCare Premium. Now, because the stockist is not open yet in the United Kingdom, I'm still doing this from the Asia headquarters in Malaysia, and that's the international. So I'm going to load one iTeraCare and I just selected on the cart right there in the upper left for One Classic. Okay, member username is Parsons, okay? So I have to go into the person that I registered and do it with her account, okay? So, and this is the key step right here. I'm not going to waste much time on, you leave the courier as courier unless for some strange reason you live right next to a stockist and they agree to let you do self-collect. That's the only reason that you would change that, okay? I did have one customer back in the winter, and he was able to go and pick up his device in New Jersey, but for 99.9% of you, courier will be the way. So just put recipient, that's your name, your mobile number, your email, your address. Make sure you get city and state correct on the international. You're going to want to let me know those details. I'll specifically say, what do you want me to put in the city field? What do you want me to put in the state field? And obviously, country is going to be UK for United Kingdom. So the last step would be hit your security password. But this is the critical step right here. The wallet that you want to use is your purchase redemption wallet balance, because remember, they just registered, and in their purchase redemption wallet balance, they're going to show the $320. So for people that are ordering in the United Kingdom through our international distributor. That's it for this video. As always, you can get me on Telegram. It's the fastest way to communicate with me. And if you need customer service, please email me, because I just get slammed with phone calls and I cannot pick up the phone as much anymore, because if you had hundreds and hundreds of customers calling you, you would have my problem. It's a good problem, yes, but if you need customer service, Telegram group is the best way to go, and email me second best. Last resort, please phone me. If there's something that I can't help you with through an email or on Telegram, please, by all means, call my office landline, 360-673-5357. And that's Pacific time. I'm available from 10:30 in the morning Pacific time till 6:30 in the evening. That's on the West Coast, 1:30 in the afternoon to 9:30 p.m. on the East Coast of the USA. And I've got on parsonsmarketing.net the corresponding times for people in the United Kingdom. I think that translates over to 1,700 hours in the United Kingdom, or 1,800 hours in Central Europe. I'm available on Telegram for calls and things like that. God bless you. And this is that one crucial step about redeeming your purchase for international orders. Bye for now.